Sermon number 18. In disparagement of the differences of view among the theologians. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. When a problem is put before any one of them, he passes judgment on it from his imagination. When exactly the same problem is placed before another of them, he passes an opposite verdict. Then these judges go to the chief who had appointed them, and he confirms all the verdicts. Although their Allah is one and the same, their Prophet is one and the same, their book, the Quran, is one and the same. Is it that Allah ordered them to differ and they obeyed him? Or he prohibited them from it but they disobeyed him? Or, is it that Allah sent an incomplete faith and sought their help to complete it? Or they are his partners in the affairs, so that it is their share of duty to pronounce and he has to agree? Or is it that Allah the Glorified sent a perfect faith, but the Prophet fell short of conveying it and handing it over to the people? The fact is that Allah the Glorified says, "We have not neglected anything in the book, Quran," and says that one part of the Quran verifies another part and that there is no divergence in it, as he says. And if it had been from any other than Allah, they would surely have found in it much discrepancy. Certainly the outside of the Quran is wonderful and its inside is deep in meaning. Its wonders will never disappear, its amazements will never pass away, and its intricacies cannot be cleared except through itself.